Ever wondered how to showcase multiple logos on your WordPress website without any complicated plugins? Well, today I'll show you a simple way to do it using WordPress's built-in tools. If your website uses a block-based theme, you can easily add multiple logos in different areas like the header, footer, or even specific pages. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance then Editor. This opens the site editor where you can customize every part of your site. Once you're inside, use the list view or explore the template areas to find where you want to place an additional logo. It could be in your header, footer, or any page template. Next, click the plus icon, search for site logo, and add the block. Now, you can either upload a new logo or select one from your media library. Make sure to adjust the size and positioning so it fits perfectly. Once you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to save your changes. The best part? You can repeat this process for as many logos as you need, giving your site a professional and dynamic look without touching a single line of code. Adding multiple logos has never been easier, and with this method, your site will look organized, polished, and ready to impress your visitors. Go ahead and try it. You'll love how flexible your site becomes.